Good day everyone. Today we're going to be doing a very quick video on how to get USDT with Naira using the Bybit P2P. Very fast and secured. Everything will be detailed in short. So without wasting much time, let's dive into our verified Bybit. Most importantly, your Bybit must be verified. Well, I happen to have set up my P2P shortcuts right about here, but it's if you come to more, you can get a list of options. Others, well, I set mine up here so that it will be very fast and easy for me to use. Without wasting much time, we'll go to P2P trading and let it open. So now here is a list of vendors available, but we don't delay here, so I'll go to the amount that I want to buy. The minimum is let's go with 5,000. Let's start somewhere. Then you see a list of options here. Now these are vendors, right? But now this is a vendor, right? But how do you know if this vendor is online? You need to make sure that after this symbol here is shining green, symbolizes that the vendor is online. As you can see, this Amkuni, his own is shining black, which means he's not online, although his trades are 99% complete, but he's not online at the moment, so that you won't waste more than 30 minutes or 15 minutes trading P2P. So I'll go to a vendor I like most. I don't like these people that are online, that are first. I don't always trade with the first option because you sometimes dive into the hands of scammers, and sometimes you see people like ineligible, some you see are unavailable. So I usually scroll down a little bit before I find anybody, and I usually look for those that end with 15 minutes rather than 30. Yep. So let's find somebody else. No time here. You can the more you scroll down, the higher the price of USDT. As you can see, this 156 and this is 1561. So it's all there and that, right? But let's get going. So you go on buy, you click on buy. Now, a lot of these advertisers here, they set their terms and conditions, so it is good to always read their terms and conditions before proceeding. So you see, do not add crypto-related words in the narration. You see, copy your number you see stuff like that and so on. So now I want to be buying the minimum of 5,000, right? Let's see. Yep, let's say 5,000, 6,000, right? Let's click on buy. So you see, this is the interface you get. So I click on pay now. Now I copy the account number. So we'll go straight to our bank app.
Battery low.
So as you can see, very fast. No time. So click continue. And that's done. So then you click on payment completed, and that's obviously confirm. So that's obviously it. So you just have to wait for the seller to release your coins, or you drop your number also if you don't want to delay. 091 3839 6215. As you can see, that's obviously it's very easy and fast. It's just like making a payment on an online shopping app, like using Jumia or whatsoever. And if you want to sell, this is the sell section right here. You click on sell, you click on it, or you see, as you can see, the vendor has already released my coin very fast. Now the reason why the payment went through is because I chose a vendor that was online. To be more precise, he was online at the moment and not those that are offline. So that is obviously it, guys.